Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of I Do Everyday Automation, where we talk about home automation projects to make your home smarter and your life easier. Today, I want to do a little quick video on a light bulb I picked up a couple of weeks back. I picked this guy up because A, it was on sale, and B, because we have a couple of lamps around the house like this guy right here that aren't really, smart lamps, but they're more so for aesthetic purposes. So to bridge the aesthetics that, my wife picked out and my techie side, I decided to go with some of the LIFX smart lights, which, like I said, I picked this one up for about 20 bucks, I believe. So we're gonna go ahead and hook this up, get it installed, and get it set up in my daughter's lamp that goes in her bedroom, so I don't have to sneak in the room like a ninja at night to turn off the light. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this guy opened up. I mean, it's pretty standard packaging, nothing special. Gonna go ahead and get it installed in the lamp. And then we're going to download the app. So there's an app for Android and for iPhone. So we're gonna go ahead and do the one for Android. And you're obviously just gonna go to the Google Play Store and you're gonna search for LIFX. I already have it installed, so we're just gonna go ahead and open it up here on my phone. And as far as registering, it's just like any other app that you have to register for on your smartphone. You're gonna go ahead and put in your email and create a password, and they send you a link, you verify your account, and you go from there. But since I already have that set up, I'm gonna go ahead and log in here. All right, and then you are presented with this screen here. And as you see, it integrates with Nest, it integrates with IFT, it integrates with Google Assistant, with your Logitech Harmony, your Alexa, and SmartThings. We have Alexa, we have SmartThings, and we have a Logitech Harmony here in the home, so we can actually integrate it with all three. But for now, we just want to get the app set up, get the light set up, and I'll show you the SmartThings integration and some of the app features that you can play around with. As far as Amazon Alexa and Logitech Harmony, I'm going to do separate videos on some of the features of those guys, especially the Logitech Harmony. So stay tuned for that. And we'll go ahead and dive back in. We're going to go ahead and hit the plus symbol. We're going to hit Connect Light. We're going to give it permission. Going to hit Allow. And it's going to search for lights. And as you can see, it found the LIFX Mini. I'm going to go ahead and hit that guy right there. Type in our Wi-Fi and password. All right, we're gonna hit continue, and it's going to prepare the light, and this takes a couple of minutes, so we'll just stand by. All right, that blinking light means that it's almost done, so we'll give it another minute or so. All right, now we're gonna set the location, and we're just gonna select home. And for the group, we're gonna put it in the bedroom group. And for name, we're just gonna call it Baby's Bedroom for now. All right. And we can either add another light, add it to the Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, but for now, we're just gonna hit done and see if we get a response. I mean, that's pretty quick. So as far as the effects, I wanted to show this to you guys real quick. You can do a little candle flicker. You can adjust the speed and the amount. You can flicker the different colors if you want. And then you just hit that guy right there. see how it's flickering a little bit. So if you put these guys outside, if you want to put these on your front porch, if you don't have a smart switch for your front porch light, you can kind of get that, candlelight effect for the front porch lights. You can also do the music and strobe. We won't really dive into that. And here's another feature you guys can set up. If you know you're gonna wake up at a certain time and go to bed at a certain time and you want these lamps around the house, especially if you work from home, you can have these guys to adjust throughout the day. So it's just like you're getting natural light in the home where, it crescendos and then it hits a peak and then it, tapers off through the night until it's time for bed. But now that we have that part set up, let's go ahead and jump into Samsung Smartthings. And we're gonna go to devices. I'm gonna add a device. I'm going to tell it we want to add it manually. We're going to find light bulbs. We're going to hit the LIFX lab. And as you can see, it's already found it. Going to hit tap to set. It's going to set it as home. You hit done. And that's it. See, it's already in there. So when we tap on this guy, you can see we can actually adjust the color temperature here just like we could in the LIFX app. But what I'm more interested in is the dimming feature. Check that out. So now I don't have to sneak in my baby's bedroom at night like a ninja to turn off the light and possibly get caught. So like I said, I wanted this video to be pretty short and straightforward. I'm gonna leave a link to this guy down in the description in case you guys wanna pick one up. If you have any other questions or comments, just leave them down in the comment section below. Other than that, I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks.